Look at the amount of snow cover, my god. There's no place to hide. Beautiful. This is Summerhill, Renton. These are our neighbors, probably sleeping inside. That little boy is playing in the snow. It's -7 degrees out here. And our car is totally covered. So this is the state of affairs. Oh man, just look. I'm so scared. Oh, this can easily qualify as a skiing resort. Look at the amount of snow, and it's still falling. It hasn't stopped. The car in the middle is our car. The one on the left side. And then what do we have here? Shit, man. It is freezing. It's quite dark inside. It's really dark.